Alright. I'm so proud of myself right now. I was able to do it. Look at that. So that's the regular bulb. And that's the LED bulb. Alright, my Santa Cruz fans, what we gotta do is, first, you go inside your vehicle and you turn it on and you turn your wheel. So turn your wheel, make sure it's facing outwards. See that? Okay. Now if you come up under here, let's see if we can see it. It's pretty dark in here. Let's see. Come up under here, there's little pins here, right here, and they go all the way around. So all you got to do is actually take your little plastic pry tool or screwdriver and slide it, pop it right on out, just like that. So it comes out, and then you can pull it out. But first, see how it's blocked by the trim, by this trim here. So we got to pull this trim piece off first. All right, you don't got to pull it all the way off, you just got to pop it. So stick your little plastic piece inside, find an opening like right down there, and if you just wiggle a little bit, you can be able to pop them open. Let's see, gotta find the clips. Okay, there's one there, and just wiggle and they come right out. You just come all the way along, wiggle, and they come right out. Keep going all the way around. Look at that. This one. This one. This one's the hard one. You gotta get down in there. It's a different type on this one right here. Okay, came loose. There you go. Snap this one off too. I hope I snap this one off the other one. No, it's not that one. So I'm gonna get all the way down to the bottom. Right here, right above the little Santa Cruz truck logo thing. Alright, so now you come underneath, and like I said, you have these little clips here, right here. I think you could look, you could probably do it with your nail. No, not with the nail. So take your little pry tool, stick it in, and it pops right on out. And then you could just pull them out just like that. You go all the way around with it, all the way around the wheel well, till about like right here. So once you finish popping out all your little plastic pieces, if you come up right up inside the wheel well, there's like this little plastic nut, and it's hand tightened, so you just unscrew it. Oh, hold on. Make sure I'm going the right way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So it comes right off. Don't lose your pieces. Boom. And then let's see. Let's come back out. And so now the trim is off. Alright? Put your trim off. And the little plastic part that's inside is down. Alright. So I got all my clips up. So now go in here, look at this, see? It's just a little flap right here. You can literally pull it back. Take a look inside. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can hold it open. And there's a cap that you just have to turn. Try and get the camera in there. There you go. See that cap? You gotta turn it. Let's see which way. I think it's towards me. Okay, So once you get the cap off, the bulb will be sitting inside, and here's the connector hanging out. If you see, if you can see it, yeah, let's see the connector. And you just gotta take the LED bulb, the new bulb that came in the pack, and it has the connector on here, and it's literally plug and play. So you plug that in, make sure you stick the bulb inside of the casing, and you turn it so that it sits in flush. I don't know which way to turn it yet because I didn't do it yet, so let me do it. Let's pretend this is the LED bulb. You put it in and make sure it's flush, and then you just kind of turn it a little bit. I don't know which way, that way or that way, but you'll feel it and it'll lock into place. Boom. Tug on it a little bit, you know it's in there. So these little latches, they lock in on the LED bulb same way. So to get this bulb out, which is the regular bulb, you're going to take your fingers, go inside that little hole and twist. Don't know which way, you gotta try it yourself. I can't remember which way it was, but just twist it a little bit. You don't have to twist it hard, you twist it a little bit and it falls right out. So you just pull it out. It'll be connected to a wire inside, and all you gotta do is press the little tab on the connector and pull it apart. That's it. See that right there? Let me see if you can see it. There's a little tab that clips on from the connector that's coming out of the headlight casing. So once you push the tab down, you can pull them apart. Then you take the LED bulbs, push them back together, snap it in, and then you put your bulbs inside. Boom. And you gotta close it all back up. Don't forget the cover. See? Once we get them in, look at that. You got it.